Hi everyone, and it is a Friday, so I'm going to give you a Friday Facebook strategy just for those people who are watching right now and probably people who watch it recorded. So if you're watching now live, make sure you give me a thumbs up and let me know you're here, and maybe thumbs up and alive. And then if you're watching it in the replay, do a thumbs up and a replay. That'd be awesome, so we know sort of who's listening and who's not. Good news is everyone can hear me okay, so let's get straight into it. Have you ever run a post on your Facebook page and you've had great engagement and you've thought, that was awesome, and then the next post tanks, or you're not able to leverage the reach that you've got in a post or an ad or something that you've shared, and you've wondered, why can't this be a consistent and constant for me? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remarket to those people who've engaged with your page in the past day, 2 days, 365 days, and then put an ad in front of them so that they will engage with you again because they know, like, and trust you. So if you want me to get going with that, give me a thumbs up, that'd be great. And let's get stuck in. So I'll bring up my screen and I'm going to show you exactly how this can work. So let's get rid of Josh. We'll put him up. Put him down. Here we go. This is live. All right, beautiful. So we've got me in the corner and we've got funnels and all sorts happening. So the first place that you need to go is into your ads manager. So you go into your ads manager, and if you're not sure how to get into ads manager, you simply go, we'll duplicate this one for you. We'll go to facebook.com. On the right hand side, you've got a little drop down here, and you're going to click on that and then go down to manage ads. Manage ads right there, and it'll take you into your ads manager. Once you're in ads manager, you're going to want to click on the 3 lines at the top here, asset library, but it will probably say ads manager. Then go across to all tools and find audiences. That's where we're sitting right this very minute. The next step that you want to do to create an audience is to create a custom audience. Is right here. Now, a custom audience is an audience of Facebook users who have engaged with you in some way. For this example, I'm going to go down to the engagement here. Click on engagement. Now, inside of engagement, you can create an audience based on people who've watched your videos, people who've engaged with a lead form, your canvas, your Facebook page, Instagram business profile, or event. For this one, we're going to select Facebook page. So we're going to include any people who meet any of the following criteria. We're going to select the page that we are an admin for. As you can see, I've got a few businesses that I work with. I hope you don't have as many as that. And then we've got a couple of options. We can do everyone who engaged with your page, anyone who visited, anyone who sent a message to your page or saved your page or any post, or people who engage with any post or ad. Now, this is the one that you use to remarket to people after you've sent out or you've posted or used an ad, or a post has just gone gangbusters for you and you really want to make that work. So what I'm going to do though is just select everyone who engaged with your page, and then we can go for the last 7 days, because if they've engaged with your page, there's a good chance that they will remember you if you pop up in their newsfeed again. Yeah? All right. Give that an audience. So it might be engaged in page in past 7 days. Really be descriptive here. Make sure that you can find your audience name when you're looking for it in your ads manager when you're creating it. If you don't have enough room here and you want to put some more description, put an extra bit of description there. So what we're going to do is create that audience. Now it'll take about 30 minutes to populate. So you go off, have a coffee, come back, and then you will be right to go. As you will see, it's populating over in the right hand corner. I've got one that I prepared earlier, so we'll use that. But that's just for your Facebook page. What if you want to create an audience of people who've engaged with your Instagram business profile? Same spot. go to Facebook page and skip over that to Instagram business profile. Anybody, include people who meet any of the following criteria, and we just connect it with our Instagram profile, and might be in the last 7 days, it might be in the last 14, but then you can do that. IG engaged last 7 days, create audience. I'm not going to do that right now. So now what we want to do is, now that we've gone and had a coffee, cocktail, whatever you wanted to do, and this is populated, and you'll see it in here when you look at your audiences. Here we go. We've got, I do have one, engage with the past 365 days. So you see it's now ready. It's got a nice green tick there. What we do is we go back to the asset library, we go to ads manager, and we're going to create an ad. On the right hand or left hand side, we've got create. We click on that, and now we are into our campaign. Now if all we're looking at doing is creating some more engagement, then we click on engagement. If we want people to watch our videos, we click video views. And importantly, if we want people to message our business or interact with our bot, we can do traffic or messages. If you're using ManyChat or one of the bots, I like to use traffic because it seems to be more effective. When we come down here, we need to make sure that our campaign name is detailed again. Why? Because when you get a bill and you want to see where you've spent all your money, or you want to dissect the results of your campaign, then you want to be able to find that campaign very quickly. One of the tricks that I'm using with my business and also those of my clients and students is to put in something like this: September 18 ... or the colon, and then test engagement, and then we can continue, because then it's easy to see it when you're analyzing your campaigns. We go into create new ad set, and when we go down to custom audiences, what we're going to find here is engage with page in the last 365 days. Now if we've got 2 audiences that we want to send this ad out to, then we click on create multiple new ad sets. So we put in the audience for engage with the last 365. That might be your Facebook one, and then you add a custom audience, and then you can put in your Instagram one, and then it'll be served to those 2 separate audiences, and you can see which one performed better. Scroll down, you go through all the other details that you put in here. Make sure that you edit placements and take out the messenger, because people don't like to be spammed. Then we go to continue. We say yes, that's all okay, continue, and then we go through to the post that we want to promote. Go down, we select the post, and then go confirm. And that, my friends, is how to market to people who have engaged with your Facebook or Facebook or Instagram profile in the past 360 days, or in the past, oh, we've got Josh's everywhere here. There we go, let's get rid of that. Isn't that terrible? That's live video for you. So that's how to create a new campaign to those people who've engaged with your business profile on Instagram or Facebook. If you've liked this, please share this around to your friends and family who this might benefit, or even business colleagues, and give me a little like or a wow as a reaction. So have an amazing day. Talk to you soon and enjoy. Bye-bye.